Let's be honest, bad tools waste time and kill the fun of woodworking. So today we're checking out 14 game-changing woodworking tools on Amazon that actually make projects easier, cleaner, and more precise. From cutting to drilling to carving, these are the kind of tools that make your work look pro. Let's jump in. Paint, glue, and rust. Don't stand a chance against this beast. This premium ergonomic Carbide Scraper is built to save your time and your hands. Its razor-sharp carbide blade slices through paint, glue, varnish, even rust in seconds. The non-slip handle keeps pressure steady so you won't gouge the surface, and it kicks up almost no dust. Way safer than chemical strippers. One tool, dozens of jobs. Doors, floors, cabinets, tiles, you name it. It's faster, cleaner, and built to last. Ever try smoothing wood with the wrong tool? Total nightmare. This 25-piece precision file set fixes that. It's like having a pro workshop in your hands. You get 4 large files for big jobs, 12 micro files for detail work, sandpaper, gloves, even a wire brush, all packed in a rugged case. The teeth are forged from premium T12 steel, so they cut clean and stay sharp forever. Wood, metal, 3D prints. If it needs shaping, this set makes it perfect. You ever spend hours trying to find the exact center of a board and still miss it? This little gadget fixes that. It's a center finder that holds your pencil dead center every single time. It marks perfect offsets from 1/16 inch in to 5/8 inch. Has a built-in magnet so it sticks to your toolbox and even hides a spare pencil inside. No more guessing, no more wasted wood. Just perfect center lines in seconds. The next tool saves your back and completely changes how you install heavy stuff. Ever tried holding a cabinet in place while drilling? Total nightmare, right? Meet the upgraded multifunctional jack, a game changer for DIYers and pros. This all-steel lifter can raise up to 440 pounds, adjust up to 6.7 inches with one hand, and lock in place for perfect precision. Just squeeze to lift, press to lower. It's that simple. Doors, windows, cabinets, floors, it does it all. Tiny but ridiculously smart, this credit card-sized multi-tool is an engineer's dream. It's a ruler, protractor, and compass all in one. Packed with quick reference formulas and conversions you'd normally have to Google. Draft a blueprint, check an angle, convert inches to millimeters. Stainless steel, laser-etched, built to last a lifetime. Tired of tripping over wood, pipes, and random junk in your garage? These ultra-wall lumber storage racks turn wasted wall space into serious storage power. Each rack holds up to 330 pounds. Heavy-duty metal frame, scratch-resistant, rock-solid, installs in minutes. Suddenly your garage looks organized and usable again. The next gadget makes almost level completely unacceptable. Crooked shelves! Not anymore! This digital level gives you perfect alignment every single time. The big LCD screen lights up automatically so you can read angles even in low light. It beeps the moment you hit your target angle. No second guessing. Heavy-duty aluminum frame, shatterproof vials, accurate, fast, and built for real job sites. Loose, crooked joints can wreck a project and your patience. This heavy-duty self-centering dowel jig locks boards perfectly in place and drills dead-straight holes, made from aircraft-grade aluminum. No flex, no drift. The viewing window keeps every hole centered. Edge joints, T-joints, L-joints, all clean, all flush. Stop guessing your cuts. This 5-in-1 precision gauge gives you pro accuracy every time. Check drill points, chisel angles, dado depth, and router bit height in seconds. Laser-etched metric and imperial markings. Reads down to 1/32 inch. built for table saws, routers, mortises, and tenons. The next tool gives you a third hand in the workshop. Ever wish you had a third hand? This MYTEC Clamp-on vise is exactly that. Clamps to almost any table. No drilling, no damage. 360-degree swivel lets you work from any angle. Hardened steel jaws with rubber pads. Portable, rock solid, and insanely useful. Messing up hinge holes can ruin a cabinet door and your mood. This Euro Hinge Jig removes all guesswork. Clamp, drill, done. Perfect 35mm hinge holes every time. Built-in stop collar nails depth, indexing cams keep hinges aligned. Drill press accuracy with just a hand drill. Lining up cuts by eye? That's how mistakes happen. This Johnny Square Mach 1 is built for speed and precision. Smart mark cutouts for studs, joists, LVLs, posts. Angle slots for 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. Built-in level vial replaces your torpedo level. Solid aluminum, zero glare, zero excuses. The next tool saves hours on weird cuts and corners. Ever trace a weird corner and it still doesn't fit? This scribing tool fixes that. Twist, lock, trace. Perfect lines every time. Aircraft-grade aluminum, ultra-light, clips to your pocket. Flooring, tile, furniture, walls. This tiny tool saves massive time. That's it for today's woodworking tools lineup. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss the next gadgets drop on ValueByte.